Welcome to the channel. Let us know about MS Office OneNote. OneNote is a note-taking program developed by Microsoft as a part of the MS Office suite. It allows users to capture, organize, and share notes, drawings, screenshots, and other types of information in a digital notebook format. Here are some details about OneNote. Interface: OneNote has a simple and user-friendly interface. The program is organized into notebooks, sections, and pages. Users can create new notebooks, sections, and pages, and customize them with different colors and designs. Organization: OneNote allows users to organize their notes in a hierarchical structure, with notebooks containing multiple sections, and each section containing multiple pages. Users can easily navigate between notebooks, sections, and pages using the navigation pane. Note-taking: OneNote offers a variety of tools for note-taking, including text formatting, tables, images, and links. Users can also add handwritten notes, drawings, and sketches using a stylus or touchscreen device. Sharing: OneNote allows users to share their notes with others in real time, making it ideal for collaboration. Users can share their notebooks with others via email, link, or by granting them access to the notebook. Integration: OneNote integrates with other MS Office applications, including Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This allows users to easily transfer data between applications and use OneNote as a central hub for their information. Platforms: OneNote is available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and web browsers. Users can access their notebooks from multiple devices, making it convenient for on-the-go note-taking and organization.